Good morning everybody. Today we are going to start class 12 physics, first chapter, electric charges and fields. In this chapter we are going to study about the basic properties of electric charges and some of the properties of electric fields. And in the small classes you studied about what is electric charges. And now we are going to revise what is electric charge. When an atom loses or gains an electron, the atom will get either a positive or a negative charge. Basically, electrons have negative charge. Electrons are having negative charge and protons have the positive charges. Protons have the positive charge. And we know that an atom is electrically neutral, means the number of protons, number of electrons are equal. And when we studied about the structure of atom, we know that the electrons revolving around the nucleus with a force between the nucleus and electron. And if the electron wants to escape from the force of attraction of nucleus, so this is the nucleus, and electrons are revolving around this nucleus, and if the electrons want to escape from the force of attraction of nucleus, then the electrons require some amount of energy that can be given in various forms. And one of the form in which the electron can gain energy is that we have to study in class 12 is frictional electricity. That is, charge can be introduced or charge can be produced through friction. When we rub a plastic comb with dry hair, it is found that due to that rubbing, heat energy will be formed there. That heat energy is transferred to the hair, shared between the hair and the comb. Therefore, electrons from hair is transferred to comb. So when we rub dry hair with the plastic comb, electrons are transferred from dry hair to plastic comb. So hair is losing electron and plastic comb is gaining electron. So additional electron is coming to plastic comb, so it will causes a negative charge to the comb. As a result, the dry hair is getting some positive charge. Similarly, when a plastic comb or plastic rod is rubbed with the wool, electrons are transferred from wool to plastic. So electrons are transferred from wool to plastic means plastic is getting negative charge and wool is getting positive charge. Okay, so this type of transferring of charge from one body to another body through friction is considered as frictional electricity. During this charging, electrons are transferred from one material to another material. As a result, the two materials are getting, one is getting negative charge and the other is getting positive charge. So we can say that there is a transfer of mass also during this charging. Electrons are transferring, electrons has a very less amount of mass. So that is why when we are considering as the whole mass of the body, this is negligible, but still there is transfer of mass between these two bodies when the body is charging. Next one, charging by induction. Here, if a charged body is having a positive charge is placed nearer to an uncharged body, so these are not kept in contact. In charging by induction, one charged body is placed nearer to an uncharged body, and due to the electrostatic force between them, and we studied that like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So due to this electrostatic force, there will be some rearrangement of charges inside the uncharged body. This is uncharged body means that here the total number of positive charge and total number of negative charge in this body, in the uncharged bodies, are same. Still there is positive charge and negative charge, and the presence of positive charge in the charged body will repel the positive charges in the uncharged body. As a result, there will be some redistribution of charges in the uncharged body. The number of positive charges in the charged bodies remains the same thing, but due to the presence of this positive charge, all the positive charges of the uncharged body will be coming to this side, and negative charges due to the attraction of this positive charge will be coming to the other side. So there is a redistribution of charges in this body. So this type of charging is known as charging by induction. Actually the net charge produced in this body is 0, but one side is having a negative charge density and the other side is having a positive charge density. If we are earthing this side, means connecting to earth, then the excess positive charges in this body will transfer to earth. As a result, this body is completely becomes negative charge. So we can say that in charging by induction, opposite type of charges will be induced in this body, and the amount of charge induced in this body may be equal or less than the amount of charges produced in the charged body. This is known as charging by induction. So when a charged body is placed nearer to an uncharged body, due to the electrostatic force, some redistribution of charges may be produced in the second body. This is called charging by induction. Okay, here if the already charged body is positive, then negative charge is introduced nearer to the side, so that we can say that opposite charges are induced through charging by induction.